Discover the secrets to transforming your kitchen into a sleek, modern paradise that will elevate your cooking experience. Stay tuned for 6 brilliant ideas that will inspire and excite you. HD Interiors fans. Welcome to our video, all about transforming your kitchen into a modern, stylish space that enhances your cooking experience and adds value to your home. A modern kitchen isn't just about aesthetics, it's about functionality, efficiency, and creating a welcoming environment where you can enjoy cooking and spending time with loved ones. In this video, we're going to share 6 brilliant ideas to modernize your kitchen without breaking the bank. These ideas range from upgrading your lighting to introducing smart appliances and incorporating sleek design elements that will elevate the look and feel of your kitchen. So, if you're ready to give your kitchen a stylish upgrade, keep watching for some exciting tips and inspiration. Let's dive right in. Upgrade lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating the right atmosphere in your kitchen. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient LED fixtures, you not only brighten up the space, but also add a touch of contemporary elegance. Imagine cooking under well-lit countertops and having adjustable lighting options to suit different moods and tasks. It's not just about functionality, it's about transforming your kitchen into a welcoming and visually appealing area where you love to spend time. Modernizing your kitchen goes beyond just aesthetics, it's about embracing innovative technologies that can revolutionize your cooking experience. Here are some ideas to introduce smart appliances into your kitchen. Upgrade to a touchscreen refrigerator that not only keeps your food fresh but also allows you to access recipes, create shopping lists, and even stream music or videos while you cook. Imagine having an oven that responds to your voice commands, allowing you to preheat, set timers, and adjust cooking settings hands-free. This not only adds convenience, but also reduces the risk of accidents in the kitchen. Start your day right with a smart coffee maker that can brew your favorite coffee just the way you like it, all controlled from your smartphone or through voice commands. Explore a range of connected appliances, such as dishwashers, microwaves, and even faucets, that can be integrated into a smart home ecosystem. This allows for seamless communication and automation, making everyday tasks in the kitchen more efficient. Look for smart appliances that prioritize energy efficiency, helping you reduce your carbon footprint and save on utility bills while enjoying the latest technology. By integrating these smart appliances into your kitchen, you not only add a futuristic touch, but also enhance functionality, convenience, and efficiency in your daily cooking routines. Stay tuned for more tips on modernizing your kitchen. Use sleek countertops. The choice of countertops can significantly impact the overall look and feel of your kitchen. When aiming for a modern aesthetic, consider the following sleek countertop options. Quartz is a popular choice for modern kitchens due to its durability, low maintenance, and wide range of color options. It provides a sleek and polished look that complements various design styles. Another timeless yet modern option is granite. With its natural beauty, durability, and heat resistance, granite countertops add an elegant touch to your kitchen while offering practicality for everyday use. If you love the luxurious look of marble but prefer a more budget-friendly and low-maintenance option, consider marble effect quartz or porcelain countertops. These materials mimic the beauty of marble while being more durable and easy to care for. Solid surface materials like corian or acrylic offer a seamless and sleek appearance, making them ideal for modern kitchen designs. They are also resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture, ensuring longevity and easy upkeep. Opt for minimalist edge profiles, such as square or beveled edges, to complement the sleek look of your countertops and create a cohesive modern aesthetic throughout your kitchen. By choosing sleek countertops that not only look stylish but also offer durability and functionality, you can achieve a modern and sophisticated look in your kitchen. Introducing a pop of color is a great way to infuse personality and modernity into your kitchen space. Consider these ideas for adding a vibrant touch. Paint one wall in a bold, modern color to create a focal point in your kitchen. Choose a hue that complements your existing color scheme and adds visual interest without overwhelming the space. Incorporate colorful accessories such as kitchen towels, rugs, or small appliances to inject bursts of color throughout the room. Opt for shades that resonate with your style and contribute to a lively atmosphere. Introduce a piece of furniture, like bar stools or a dining set, in a striking color or pattern. This adds a playful element to your kitchen design and creates a cohesive look when paired with other decor elements. Hang artwork or display decorative items with vibrant colors on your walls or shelves. This not only adds a personal touch, but also enhances the overall modern feel of your kitchen. Incorporate indoor plants or fresh flowers in colorful pots to bring natural elements and lively hues into your kitchen. Greenery adds freshness and warmth, making the space more inviting. By incorporating pops of color strategically, you can transform your kitchen into a vibrant and modern space that reflects your personality and design preferences. Stay tuned for more tips on modernizing your kitchen. Minimalism is a design approach that focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and functionality. Embracing minimalist design principles in your kitchen can create a sleek and contemporary look. Keep countertops clear of unnecessary items to create a clean and spacious feel. Use storage solutions like cabinets, drawers, and shelving to organize kitchen essentials and minimize visual clutter. Choose cabinets with minimalist designs, such as flat panel doors or handle-less cabinets, for a streamlined look. Opt for neutral colors like white, gray, or black to maintain a modern aesthetic. Consider integrating appliances like refrigerators and dishwashers into cabinetry to achieve a seamless and cohesive appearance. This not only saves space, but also enhances the overall sleekness of your kitchen design. Stick to a minimalist color palette consisting of neutral tones and subtle contrasts. Incorporate pops of color sparingly through accessories or accents to maintain a minimalist yet inviting atmosphere. Design your kitchen layout with functionality in mind. Ensure that key areas, such as the cooking zone, sink, and storage areas, are easily accessible and efficiently arranged for a smooth workflow. Invest in high-quality materials for countertops, flooring, and backsplashes that not only look modern but also offer durability and easy maintenance. By embracing minimalist design principles, you can achieve a clean, uncluttered, and contemporary look in your kitchen. Stay tuned for more tips on modernizing your kitchen space. Next, we'll explore how incorporating tech integration can further enhance the functionality and modernity of your kitchen. Keep watching for insightful ideas. Integrating technology seamlessly into your kitchen can enhance functionality, convenience, and the overall modern feel of the space. Consider these tech-savvy ideas. Upgrade to smart appliances that offer advanced features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, remote control, and voice commands. This allows you to monitor and control your appliances from anywhere, making cooking and meal preparation more efficient. Install touchless faucets that activate with a simple wave of your hand. This not only adds a modern touch, but also promotes hygiene and cleanliness in the kitchen. Incorporate USB charging outlets into your kitchen design for convenient charging of smartphones, tablets, and other devices. This eliminates the need for bulky adapters and keeps your countertops clutter-free. Invest in smart lighting systems that allow you to customize lighting scenes, adjust brightness levels, and schedule lighting settings according to your preferences. This creates the perfect ambience for cooking, dining, and entertaining. Install integrated sound systems or smart speakers in your kitchen for streaming music, podcasts, or audiobooks while you cook. This adds entertainment and ambience to your culinary experience. Consider integrating your kitchen with a smart home hub that centralizes control of various smart devices, including lighting, appliances, security systems, and more. This provides seamless automation and coordination of tasks throughout your home. By incorporating these tech integration ideas into your kitchen, you can create a modern, connected, and efficient space that enhances your lifestyle. Congratulations on exploring these 6 brilliant ideas to modernize your kitchen. By incorporating these tips and techniques, you can transform your kitchen into a stylish, functional, and inviting space that meets your needs and reflects your personal style. Let's recap the key ideas discussed. 1. Upgrade lighting. Enhance the ambience and functionality of your kitchen with modern LED fixtures and adjustable lighting options. 2. Introduce smart appliances. Embrace innovative technologies like touchscreen refrigerators, voice-controlled ovens, and smart coffee makers for added convenience and efficiency. 3. Use sleek countertops. Choose durable and stylish countertop materials like quartz or granite to elevate the look of your kitchen. 4. Add a pop of color. Infuse personality and vibrancy into your kitchen with colorful accents, artwork, and plants. 5. Embrace minimalist design. Create a clean, clutter-free look with minimalist cabinetry, integrated appliances, and a neutral color palette. 6. Incorporate tech integration. Enhance functionality and connectivity with smart appliances, touchless faucets, USB charging outlets, and integrated sound systems. Now, armed with these ideas, it's time to start your kitchen transformation journey. Whether you're planning a complete renovation or making subtle changes, remember that every detail counts in achieving a modern and stylish kitchen. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips and ideas. Thank you for joining us, and happy modernizing!